In question 12, we're asked to find the median, and this question is all about averages. The median, it sounds like medium, which is actually, when you think about it, the middle t-shirt size. So that is the middle. And before you can find the middle, these numbers have to be in order. So let's take our time. I'm going to write it directly underneath. I can see there's a 2 and a 2. There's 2 of them. 1, 2, 3 3s. 1, 2 4s. There's a 5. There's 2 5s, in fact, and a 6. If I write it exactly underneath, it's just another way of me checking that I've got the right amount of numbers that I started with. So, the easiest way to find the middle is just by crossing off the ends. And I'm going to do it very faintly so I can still see the numbers, just in case I need it for later on. So just smallest, biggest, smallest, biggest. Now, you've got to be careful, because I could cross them both out, and then you might write there isn't a middle, but there always will be a middle. The last 2 numbers we're left with is 3 and 4. So what is halfway, or the middle of 3.4? Sorry, 3 and 4, you should be able to see that would be 3.5. So the answer for the median is 3.5. Now the range is probably the easiest one to do. The range is the difference between the smallest and the biggest. 2 and 6. So the range is actually 4. The difference between the smallest and biggest. I think in science they want you to write the range like 2 to 6. That would be wrong in mathematics, so make sure you are writing 4. Now the mean, they generally give you this on a calculator paper, which this is, and you just add up all the numbers. So it's 3 add 4. Just type them into your calculator, just as I'm doing now. And I get 37. So the total of all of these numbers are 37. And that is 37 goals scored in total in these 10 hockey matches. So the mean is when you add them all up and you divide by how many there are. So there's 10 numbers. The total of all those 10 numbers is 37. And that gives you 3.7.